Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your DocuSign signature. If you're having trouble with fixing your DocuSign signature, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. Let's start with the quickest fix, and then we're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Then try logging in into DocuSign again, and you'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Let's see if there's an update available for DocuSign on your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store app and then search for DocuSign and then see if there's an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest bug fixes and improvements. Now, if updating also didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open your settings, then search app, then scroll down until you see the option of DocuSign. Now scroll down and click on the option of storage. And now on the bottom right of your phone, you see the option of clear cache. So hit the option of clear cache. Next, this clears out all the old data that might be causing issues. Now, if you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. Now, if none of the previous methods help, go ahead and delete or uninstall the app DocuSign from your phone and reinstall it again with all the latest files and updates. In many cases, this is the final fix that helps you solve stubborn problems. And there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your DocuSign account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.